Every morning, millions of people start their day with lemon, honey, and lukewarm water, but what actually happens inside the body? As you drink this warm mixture, it gently enters the stomach, where lemon stimulates digestive juices and honey provides quick natural energy. Inside the intestines, vitamin C, antioxidants, and minerals are absorbed into the bloodstream, supporting detoxification and digestion. These nutrients travel through the body, helping the liver flush out toxins and improving hydration at a cellular level. In the brain, antioxidants support mental clarity and focus. Muscles receive a fresh supply of energy, while the gut microbiome becomes more balanced and active. This drink may help boost metabolism, support immunity, and promote healthy digestion when taken in moderation. However, excessive use may irritate the stomach, trigger acidity, or cause blood sugar spikes due to honey. Like all healthy habits, balance is the key. Lemon, honey, and lukewarm water, a simple drink, with powerful effects inside your body.